Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. On-policy distillation is a powerful way to align student language models by training them on their own generated text, but early training is incredibly unstable because beginner students generate low-quality text. To fix this, a paper published on May 29, 2026, which hit the Hugging Face trending list about 4 days ago, introduces a clever warm-up strategy. This paper is titled, Trust Region Behavior Blending for On-Policy Distillation. By restricting early teacher guidance to a local student trust region, which acts as a safe mathematical boundary that keeps the learning process stable, this method achieves a 44% average success rate on mathematical reasoning. As we will see, the way this approach smoothly fades out its intervention to return to pure student training is the key to its success. Figure 1 illustrates how trust region behavior blending selects a behavior policy during the warm-up phase. The student policy, represented by the green dot, is surrounded by a dashed circle that defines a trust region. This trust region is a safety boundary based on Kullback-Leibler divergence, which is a mathematical way to measure how much one probability distribution differs from another, ensuring the behavior policy does not drift too far from what the student currently understands. To get the best guidance, the method finds the policy on the boundary of this circle, labeled mu star, that is closest to the teacher policy. As training progresses, this circle shrinks, eventually forcing the behavior policy to merge completely back with the student policy. Figure 2 illustrates how different interventions affect the student model's training trajectory over 400 steps. At the very beginning, several guided methods show a fast start, rising rapidly compared to the initial student performance. However, there is limited gain later for techniques like supervised fine-tuning warm-up and fixed epsilon blending, which plateau below the vanilla baseline. This highlights why a temporary adaptive warm-up is so crucial. Table 1 highlights these advantages by comparing trust region behavior blending against several baselines. The performance is measured using pass at 1, which is the percentage of times the model generates a correct answer on its very first try. For the first model setup, our blending method achieves the highest average score of over 33%. It achieves a similar success on the second setup, leading with over 44% average accuracy because it successfully guides the model through early training without hurting its final policy. Figure 4 shows that trust region behavior blending generates much higher quality prefixes, which are the starting portions of mathematical solutions. This plot measures the success rate when either the teacher or student attempts to complete these truncated solutions. Across all lengths, our method outperforms vanilla on policy distillation. Most notably, at a length of 512, the student continuation achieves a massive 50% relative gain, proving that our trust region warm-up successfully guides the model toward solvable states. Trust region behavior blending proves that temporary guided warm-ups can stabilize on policy distillation without sacrificing final performance, making the training of smaller reasoning models much easier. That wraps up this look at behavior blending. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.